Hey everyone, welcome back to English Easy Way. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. Today we have a super practical episode for you.
That's right. We're going to talk about something everyone does but maybe doesn't know how to talk about in English.
Cleaning the house.
Exactly. Have you ever wanted to tell your roommate to clean up? Or maybe you're visiting someone's home and want to offer to help.
By the end of this conversation, you'll know all the words and phrases you need. Plus, we'll share a funny cleaning story.
So grab your notebook and let's get started.
So, Sarah, imagine this. It's Saturday morning. You wake up and look around your apartment. What do you see?
Oh no, I see a mess. There are dirty dishes in the sink, clothes on the floor, and dust everywhere.
Great phrase alert. Sarah said, a mess. This means things are disorganized and untidy. You can say, my room is a mess, or what a mess.
Right, and I said dirty dishes. We use dirty for things that need washing. Dirty dishes, dirty clothes, dirty floors.
Perfect. So, Sarah, your apartment is a mess. What do you need to do?
I need to clean the house, or we can say tidy up. That means to make things neat and organized.
Good. Let's make a list. What rooms do you need to clean?
Well, first the kitchen, then the living room, the bedroom, and the bathroom.
Don't forget the bathroom. That's usually the worst, right?
Yes, nobody likes cleaning the bathroom.
Let's review those room names for our listeners. Kitchen, where you cook. Living room, where you relax and watch TV. Bedroom, where you sleep. And bathroom, where you shower and use the toilet.
Now, Mike, let me ask you, is your place clean right now?
Nervous laugh. Let's just say I need to do some cleaning this weekend.
Ha, be honest with the listeners.
Okay. My living room is a bit messy. There are books and magazines on the coffee table, and I haven't vacuumed in 2 weeks.
Did you hear that word? Vacuumed. That's the past tense of vacuum. It means to clean the carpet or floor with a vacuum cleaner.
We also say vacuum the floor or do the vacuuming. It's both a noun and a verb.
All right, Mike, let's help you. Let's make a cleaning plan together. Where should you start?
Good question. I always start with the easiest room first. That motivates me.
Smart. So maybe start with the bedroom?
Yes, in the bedroom, I need to make the bed, put away my clothes, dust the furniture.
Let's stop there. Make the bed. This means to arrange your sheets, blankets, and pillows neatly after you wake up.
Put away means to return things to their proper place. Put away your toys, put away the groceries, put away your clothes.
And dust the furniture means to remove dust from tables, shelves, and other surfaces. You usually use a cloth or a duster.
Great explanations. Now, what about the kitchen, Sarah? That's usually the messiest room.
Oh yes, in the kitchen, you need to wash the dishes, wipe the counters, clean the stove, mop the floor, take out the trash.
Wow, that's a lot. Let's break it down.
Wash the dishes or do the dishes. Both are correct. You clean plates, cups, forks, and spoons.
Wipe the counters. The counter is the flat surface in your kitchen where you prepare food. You use a wet cloth or sponge to clean it.
Clean the stove. The stove is where you cook. It often gets dirty with food and grease.
Mop the floor. You use a mop, which is like a stick with cloth or sponge at the bottom, to clean the floor with water.
And take out the trash or take out the garbage. This means to remove the trash bag and put it outside in the bin.
One tip, we say take out the trash, not take the trash out. The order matters.
That's true for many phrasal verbs. Good point, Mike.
Now let's talk about the living room. Sarah, what needs to be done there?
Well, I usually need to pick up things from the floor, vacuum the carpet, dust the shelves, organize the books and magazines, fluff the cushions.
Fluff the cushions. I love that one. That means to make your couch pillows soft and neat again by shaking them.
Yes, it makes the room look so much nicer.
What about pick up? That's another phrasal verb.
Right. Pick up means to lift something from the floor or a surface. Pick up your toys, pick up your clothes, pick up that paper.
Let's teach some useful phrases you can use when talking about cleaning.
I need to clean up. General cleaning. The house is a disaster. Very messy. It's time to tidy up. Make things neat. I'm doing spring cleaning. Deep, thorough cleaning.
Can you help me clean? Asking for help. I'll sweep the floor. Clean with a broom. Don't forget to dust. Reminder. We should declutter. Remove unnecessary things.
Those are so useful. And speaking of asking for help, how do you politely ask someone to clean?
Great question. You can say, "Could you please vacuum the living room? Would you mind taking out the trash? Can you help me with the dishes?"
Much better than saying, clean the house now, right?
Definitely. Being polite is important, especially with roommates or family.
Okay, we can't avoid it anymore. Let's talk about cleaning the bathroom.
Do we have to?
Yes, it's important. So in the bathroom, you need to scrub the toilet, clean the sink, wipe the mirror, scrub the bathtub or shower, and mop the floor.
Scrub is a strong word. It means to clean something by rubbing hard, usually with a brush and cleaning product.
Yes, you scrub the toilet, scrub the tub, scrub the tile. It's hard work.
We also use different cleaning products. Let me list some. Soap, detergent, bleach, glass cleaner, disinfectant.
And you use different tools: sponge, scrub brush, mop, broom, and dustpan.
The dustpan is that flat thing you use with a broom to collect dirt, right?
Exactly. You sweep the dirt into the dustpan, then throw it away.
Sarah, you promised us a funny cleaning story.
Oh, yes. Okay, so this happened to my friend Tom. He decided to do a deep clean of his apartment before his parents visited.
Uh-oh, I sense trouble.
So Tom started cleaning the bathroom. He used bleach to clean the toilet, that's normal, but then he thought more cleaning products means cleaner, right?
Oh no, what did he do?
He mixed bleach with another cleaning product, and you should never do that because it creates dangerous fumes.
That's a serious safety tip, everyone. Never mix bleach with other cleaners.
Right. So suddenly the bathroom filled with this terrible smell. Tom had to open all the windows, run outside, and air out the whole apartment for hours.
Did his parents still visit?
Yes, but the apartment smelled weird for days. He learned his lesson: read the labels and use one product at a time.
That's an important lesson. Always be safe when cleaning. Open windows, wear gloves if needed, and read instructions.
Absolutely. Cleaning is important, but safety comes first.
Wow, we've covered so much today. Let's review the most important vocabulary.
Great idea. Let's go room by room. Kitchen. Wash the dishes or do the dishes, wipe the counters, mop the floor, take out the trash, clean the stove.
Living room. Vacuum the carpet, dust the furniture, pick up things, organize or tidy up.
Bedroom. Make the bed, put away clothes, change the sheets, dust.
Bathroom. Scrub the toilet, clean the sink, mop the floor, wipe the mirror.
And here are some practical tips. Make a schedule, clean a little bit every day, put on music, it makes cleaning fun, start with the easiest tasks, use the right tools for each job, don't forget to open windows for fresh air.
And here are some useful phrases. I need to clean up around here.
The house is getting messy.
Can you help me with the cleaning?
I'm going to do some tidying up.
We should organize this closet.
Well, everyone, that's all for today. Now you know how to talk about cleaning in English.
Remember to practice these phrases at home. Maybe even clean your house while practicing your English.
Great idea. You can talk to yourself while cleaning. Now I'm washing the dishes. Now I'm wiping the counter.
It sounds silly, but it really helps you remember.
Before we go, let's do a quick challenge for you. Pause the video and answer this question. What's the messiest room in your house right now?
Write your answer in the comments. Use full sentences like, my bedroom is the messiest because there are clothes everywhere.
We love reading your comments, and if you found this lesson helpful, please like and subscribe.
Next week, we'll teach you how to talk about cooking in English.
Can't wait. Thanks for listening, everyone.
Keep practicing and remember, a clean house makes a happy home.
And good English skills make a confident learner.
Bye, everyone. Bonus vocabulary list. Cleaning verbs. Clean, wash, wipe, scrub, sweep, mop, vacuum, dust, polish, organize, tidy up, pick up, put away. Cleaning tools. Broom, mop, vacuum cleaner, duster, sponge, cloth or rag, bucket, dustpan, scrub brush, gloves. Cleaning products. Soap, detergent, bleach, disinfectant, glass cleaner, floor cleaner, air freshener. Useful phrases. It's a mess. I need to clean up. Can you help me? Time to tidy up. The house is dirty. Let's do some cleaning. This place is spotless. Bonus vocabulary list. Cleaning verbs. Clean, wash, wipe, scrub, sweep, mop, vacuum, dust, polish, organize, tidy up, pick up, put away. Cleaning tools. Broom, mop, vacuum cleaner, duster, sponge, cloth or rag, bucket, dustpan, scrub brush, gloves. Cleaning products. Soap, detergent, bleach, disinfectant, glass cleaner, floor cleaner, air freshener. Useful phrases. It's a mess. I need to clean up. Can you help me? Time to tidy up. The house is dirty. Let's do some cleaning. This place is spotless.